Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and this is my channel, Braiman Home. I have a vintage booth in upstate New York called Braiman Home, and in today's video, we are picking up a couch right now, and then we're gonna do a little refresh of my vintage booth, a little fluff. We're only bringing the couch in today, so I figured I would take you guys along with me and show you how I fluff up my space. And sometimes I don't bring anything in, sometimes I only bring one piece in, and just by moving things around and kind of refreshing the shop, it gives it a different look. So I'm going to take you guys along and we're going to do that. So let's go. With a brand new Here we are in my vintage booth. Last week I sold some pretty big furniture pieces. I sold a larger oak hutch, a small hutch, 2 club chairs, and a coffee table. So we're looking pretty bare on the furniture side of things right now. This arbor that I brought in has been in the booth a few times, and I try to strategically use this when I'm low on furniture and kind of need like that wow piece. I'll bring it in, and I think it just helps ground the room, and it brings a focal point in, and I think it draws people in from the aisle, really. I had the idea of putting corn stalks on it for fall, and I really love the way it turned out. I've also had a few compliments from some fellow vendors, so I'm glad everyone's loving the look. Something that I've learned from having a booth now for over 4 years is the power of just moving things. It's not every week I'm bringing in a collection of new inventory, so by switching things around and putting furniture pieces in different areas of the space, it creates this illusion that there's new arrivals. And again, that's why I love having this arbor handy, because with a space as large as mine, you never want to look completely empty and not have that show-stopping piece. Not only by shifting furniture around the space, I also like to create new vignettes. Different smalls paired with other different smalls, maybe on top of different furniture pieces, but I can't tell you how many times I've just moved something that I've had for a while onto a new display, and then it sells. It's crazy. I try to take note of what areas my shop that pieces are being purchased the most. I have this long shelf on the back wall that used to sell a ton of smalls when it was on the other wall. So I think when I have a little more time when I'm in the shop, I'm going to put it on the wall that it used to be on and see if that promotes more sales off of it. And it'll also make the space feel like a bigger refresh. So we'll see. If you're new to my channel, most of my videos are me sourcing for my vintage booth. We go to estate sales, flea markets, antique malls, thrift stores, barn sales, pretty much everywhere. I try to really create pieces so that the space looks collected. And I also make videos on me refreshing my booth pretty frequently. And then usually once a year, I do a big booth reset. This is my huge remodel for the year. So if you're into interior design, vintage shopping, antique booths, curated homes, all those things, and you're passionate about it just like me, then you're in the right place. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and join the Braiman Home family. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're a vintage or an antique booth owner, I hope maybe you gained one tip from today's video. I do plan to take you guys sourcing with me this weekend. There is an estate sale, a barn sale, and a flea market that I plan on going to. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. If you haven't already, hit that bell notification and it will notify you when I do upload that video. And I just want to say thank you so much again for your continued support. Seeing familiar names in the comments, it's so refreshing, and it just feels so fun and cool to build this community with you guys, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, I look forward to making more content for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.